She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Braids Queen. Shout out to you, Braids Queen, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and now we get into the cap construction. Now this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has an elastic band. I didn't show that, but it does have an elastic band. And as you guys can see, this unit is in the color 1B/613. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig. If you are interested in any more details, specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Braids Queen. Shout out to you, Braids Queen, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their ombre blonde pre-braided cornrow 13x6 lace frontal wig. It says, get a perfect braided look under 15 minutes instead of sitting for 8 hours of traditional braids. Save time and money. 100% high quality cankalone fiber, 100% hand braided, realistic cornrow wig, ultra soft Swiss lace wig, cap size standard medium, 13x6 lace area, length 28 inches, and it says weight 350 grams, not heavy at all. Okay, so those are all the details and specs that they have on the site about this particular wig. And as you guys can see, the color of this unit is like a 1B and 613. And I'll be really, really honest with y'all. When I saw the colors of it, I was like, oh Lord, I'm going back to the 90s ratchetness. I was excited, but I was really wary about the color of this unit, because typically when I have 613, I like for the color to be 4, because I just feel like it blends good. Like, I feel like it blends together better. But honestly, with this particular unit, with a braided wig, I am not mad at the 1B and 613 at all. I was definitely pleasantly surprised. And the unit actually does look like the wig on the site. Actually, in my opinion, it looks even better in person than it does on the mannequin. Which is, when it comes to human hair or braided wigs, a lot of times I feel like they look better on the mannequin than when you get them in person. So that's a really good thing. Like, when it comes to synthetic wigs, they look better once you put them on than they do on sites. But with human wigs, it's the opposite, in my opinion. Now, as far as with this wig, as shedding and tangling and all of that, obviously it's a braided wig. So there's none of that with this particular unit. I do want to mention the price, and this unit does retail for $129, honey, and 90 cents, which, when it comes to braided wigs, like, I feel like the longevity of them is way longer than any other wig. And you're literally saving time as far as having to get your hair braided or whatever. So I think that is a really good price for this type of unit, because I feel like you will definitely getting your bang for your buck. Okay, so I don't see anything wrong with the price whatsoever. I feel like if you were to get your hair braided, you would pay more than this. Like, well, here in Bama and in the Birmingham area, for this type of look, you will pay more, or like $150 or so. I don't know, child. Okay, I usually get twists and stuff. I never actually get cornrows when I get my hair braided, but I know for twist it's like $250. So I'm assuming that for a style like this, it'll be like $150. Like that's just me guesstimating, okay? So yeah, I don't think it's bad for the pricing. And this is a frontal unit, so you can, if you wanted to, you could pull this part up into like a bun. I didn't want to do that, but you can if you want to. You can wear it, you know, like in a little cute little top knot, and I may style it like that so you guys can just kind of see it later. But you will be able to do that, and it shouldn't show anything in the back because it's a frontal, and because of the way that this wig is constructed, I don't think it'll show anything in the back. I could be wrong, girl. Okay, if I'm wrong, I apologize, and I'll put it somewhere on the screen, but I don't think it would show anything. So I do feel like this unit is sort of versatile. And yeah, that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check. Oh, I do want to mention with the construction of this wig, if I'm not mistaken, it does come with 3 combs in the front, but it could be 2. I could be wrong, honey, but I think it comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it also does have an elastic band, and it's an adjustable elastic band, and I did adjust that band, so I wanted to throw that out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this unit. Okay, so this is where the unit comes on me. Mind you, I am 5'4", and as stated, this wig is 28 inches long. So this is where it comes on me. It will be shorter or longer on you depending on your own height. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Alright, so if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as what products and what I did to this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, honey. I don't know if you know. Your girl is definitely feeling this unit. I love this unit. I am really shocked. Like, I did not really expect to like this wig as much as I do. Like, just looking at it on the site, like, it looks cute, but I didn't know. Like, I didn't, dealing with 1B and 613, like, I didn't know how it was going to look, but I am in love with this wig. I think it is gorgeous. I think it is made perfectly, and I would definitely pay the price for this unit. I think it is gorgeous. Like, I have, like, literally no cons with this wig whatsoever. Now it does, and I should have mentioned this earlier, it does come in a medium cap size, but I do feel like the cap size is big head friendly, so I feel like you would be able to work with it no matter what. And I like that on the sides. I have a hard time with side areas because I do have very large ears. So a lot of times when it comes to braided wigs, my ears sometimes get like stopped right there. So it's always an issue for me, but I didn't have that issue with this wig whatsoever. It's comfortable. My ears were able to breathe freely. Like, it feels good. It's like having a lightweight braided something on your head. It's like getting your hair braided. I feel like it looks realistic. I feel like it looks really, really, really good. Like, I think, they did this. Like, I love everything about this wig. And I typically don't wear blondes in the winter months, honey. But your girl will be wearing old girl because I just think it's an entire vibe. Okay, I love everything about this wig. I literally have no cons, none that I can think of, honey. Okay, she's feeling it. I am definitely feeling this wig. Okay, so now as far as what I used on this wig, now I did decide to do the ball cap method because my hair is growing back and I wanted it to look as light as possible under here. Now the ball cap method isn't something that I normally do, okay, because it takes a lot of work. It's really, really time consuming, and honey, I got stuff to do, children to yell at and all that good stuff, okay? But I wanted to because I wanted it to, I realized that the wig was going to be really, really pretty, that it looked really nice, and I wanted to give you guys the look. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I felt like with the ball cap method, that would really be able to like really make the wig stand out and look even more realistic. And I feel like I accomplished that. Like, honey, your girl is getting good at this thing, honey. Okay, shout out to me, honey. Shout out to me for that. I literally love everything about this wig. Now I did, after I applied the wig, I did use my Sephora Micro Smooth and just put it, you know, around in between the braids, just to, you know, make the parting space stand out more. And then they did send me some cute little accessories, but I am not a color girl, okay? Your girl I'm just not somebody that wears a lot of sparkles and a lot of color. So I just used the same things that I use on all of my braided wigs, and I used one of these little cute little accessories. I don't know if that's still in style, but I think it's a look with these type of braided wigs. I love when it's like a fat braid here and you have this little accessory here. I just think it's a look. Obviously you don't have to do that. That was just like a me thing, but I do love it. I love everything about this unit, honey. She's a look. So yeah, that is basically it. I would definitely recommend this wig. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And I also want to turn back around, let you guys just kind of get in there in the back so you can see. I don't know what it looks like in the back, to be honest with you. So you seeing something that I ain't seen, okay? So yeah, just so you guys can get a look at that. I hope you can see it. So yeah, that is basically it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Would you rock her? Do you think she's a look? Do you think she's worth the money? I don't think she's expensive at all. I think it is definitely worth your coins. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.